Right, let's talk about adding flooring now. Flooring is fun to add, so let's go and do that. So we're going to go to Floor, Architectural, okay, and let's find what floor we want to add. We're not going to go with the generic 12 inches. You could, but what we're going to do is a carpet finish in here. We're doing something different in the structure that we're making for the project, but we'll go with a carpet finish for this, okay? We're going to not carpet everywhere, but we have to make our floor as if so we're going to pick our boundary lines by selecting the walls. Just keep clicking around. Click all 4 walls and then click the Finish Edit mode. And it has now added carpet to your entire space. That being said, we don't want carpet in the bathroom. We're not going to want it in the kitchen either, but we definitely don't want it in the bathroom. So let's contemplate how we might correct this, okay? We'll go to Modify. We're going to use something called Split Face. Okay, so it splits the face of a single element into different regions so that we can apply different materials to a certain part of it. Okay, so let's go to Split Face. Now we have to select the floor. It's important that you hover your cursor and grab just the floor. Click. Okay, now we can use the rectangle tool to make a boundary, or we can use line. My suggestion is just line because we've got, for this one you have to use just line. So we're going to go here, endpoint to endpoint to endpoint, and then come back up here and click that. Now you've got a split face. You can kind of barely see it. Now we need to go to Paint. Alright, and let's go and pick a surface. We can use stone, we can add elements here. You can see there are quite a few already to use, okay? We can go with the tile mosaic or tile porcelain 4 inches. Let's go with tile porcelain 4 inches for the bathroom. And we're going to hover the cursor here until it shows that area where we've split the face. We don't want this side of this, we want this side. We're just going to click, then hit enter. Okay? And you can actually cancel out of that then at that point. Alright, so now we have walls, windows with tags, doors with tags, and flooring. So most excellent. We're going to want to remove or isolate that flooring from view when we get to the point of adding other things, but that's a separate tutorial. So for right now, you've learned the basics of creating just a small structure in Revit. You can now go and take the quiz for this unit.